Today, history is in our midst, and this is a date that the whole of Oroqueta will never forget. A little later, we will witness the groundbreaking ceremony that will pave the way of the construction and opening of Oroqueta City's first ever mall, the Metro Central Mall. The Metro Central Mall will truly be part of the city's colorful history. It will be the symbol of Oroqueta's transformation from a so-called sleepy little city of Misamis Occidental to a vibrant and progressive capital city of this province. From the name of the mall in itself, the Metro Central, it affirms that sooner or later, our city will become a metropolis, a big and prosperous city in the province of Misamis Occidental and in the whole of Region 10. This is what will become of Oroqueta in the coming days. Kaya panahon na siguro that investments of this kind will open in our city. Kasi malalaki at mauunlad lang ng mga syudad ang nilalagyan ng mall. Baka ito na ang hudyat na lalaki na rin at uunlad ang Oroqueta City. Once open, I am confident that this mall will be a magnet, not only for Oroquetanons to enjoy the malling experience, but it will also be a magnet to all Misamisnons from the different municipalities of this great province. Sir Steve, Ma'am Susan, and Sir Stephen, maraming salamat po sa trust and confidence na ipinakita nyo para sa Oroqueta. Investing hundreds of millions of pesos in this city is no simple matter. Pero you took the risk and led the way so that others may follow and invest in Oroqueta. Dahil sa ginawa ninyo, isang Oroquetano na po ang turing namin sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin ang Pamilya Ong. Sa trabaho, Governor Henry, Vice Governor Weng, Kong Jason, Vice Mayor Gigi Almonte, ug mga kauban ako sa sangguniang panglungsod, daghan kaayong salamat sa kanunay ninyong pagsuporta kanako. To our investment unit head, Nonoy Regalado, daghang salamat sa imong pagpugi, pagpangita og mga investor dinhi sa atong dakbayan. In spite of the challenges, usahay nga atong matubang. Pero sa kanunay, moingon lang yun gihapon ta, God is good all the time. To the ears of Lola Esther Flores Pia, represented by Mr. Jaime Pia, daghang salamat sa pagahin ug gamay na luna para kabutangan aning pinakauna ug nag-inusara nga mall sa syudad ug sa distrito sa atong probinsya. the beginning. And more exciting things will happen to our city in the days to come. I am asking all Oroquetanons, 85,000 strong, to learn to love and believe in Oroqueta. By doing so, we can make this city better, wherein ang matag usa, mahatagan nato og oportunidad na mulambo, irregardless of gender, irregardless of age, irregardless of religion and political belief. Kay kining tanan para lamang sa Oroqueta. Asenso Oroqueta, Asenso Misamis Occidental. Daghang salamat and God bless us all.
Oroqueta, Oroqueta, tanang magkayusa, kita Oroqueta.